Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your Instagram call. So guys, when you want to make any call on Instagram video or audio and want to record that call in your iPhone, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your Instagram, open your messenger here, and guys you need to make any video or audio call. And guys, after doing a call, when your call is started, simply you have to turn on this screen recorder option. And guys, after this, simply you have to click on and hold on this tab, and guys you will find the option of microphone. Simply you have to turn on this, and guys after this your audio will be recorded as well in your iPhone. And guys, the second method is you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys here you need to search iCall recorder. So guys, simply you have to search this app on your iPhone, and guys after this here you will find the option of audio recorder, call audio recorder. So guys, for example, I am going to record this call from this app that is call recorder for iPhone. So guys, you can download this one, and guys you can download also this app that is iCall recorder. So guys, after this you have to purchase this app for some amount, and after purchasing this you will be able to record any call on your iPhone. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.